So this looks like a regular branch. See? It's got a knife's edge on it. It's a stick. See? But check this out. Look at this. It's a palm leaf. Dude, that's insane. Could you imagine getting bit by those? Okay, so he just cut a little piece of leaf from that plant down there. Café falsa.
Falsa, café.
Café falsa, like false coffee.
False
and he
coffee.
says I should stick that on my tongue. So,
Motherfucker.
if I'm gonna do it because I'm in the jungle, so fuck it.
Para...
So they use it, the indigenous people use it to treat their malaria. So if you get malaria, you take one of these per day. Por quantos dias?
Até fazer o tratamento completo, né? Uns 3 dias.
3 dias?
Yes.
So you take one of these to treat your malaria. Usually it takes about 3 days and it gets rid of your malaria, is what he's saying. Which is awesome, but it tastes like shit. He just scraped this little ant's nest and he said we're gonna have a little ritual, the 3 of us. What we're gonna put is, apparently they're biting the hell out of his hand. But he says it's a ritual that they do. So they're not biting, oh, they're biting a little bit. Ooh, they are biting a little bit. Ow, they're biting a lot. So it's like a mosquito repellent. It does. It smells. It smells like mosquito repellent. I feel like I got them all over my face now.
You do have one
I
on
do,
your face.
right there. I just felt it. And I feel like I have them in my pants now.
O nome é Invira. Invira é uma maneira de transformação.
Oh, see?
Aqui, ó. Vamos fazer uma corda.
He's gonna use it to climb up that tree, dude.
It's harder than it looks, motherfucker.
Wait, one more time. Alright, here we go. This is as far as I'm going, man. I ain't climbing any higher.
You got it.
Alright, so he just cut a vine and he's getting water from this vine. You cut the bottom first and then you cut the top. And look at this. This is filling, this vine is filling this bottle. Pura agua.
Pura água.
Look at that. A ver, un segundo, lo voy a tomar. So, tastes like minty water. Un poco de menta.
Yeah, yes.
Minty water. Hopefully I don't get the runs tomorrow, but this is good.
Ajuda para tratar gastrite.
Oh, see?
Sim, sim.
So I won't get stomach troubles because this is used to treat stomach problems. So it'll give me diarrhea and cure it at the same time. Right on.